He coming at you guys with another video.
A Middle Eastern woman who has been constantly complaining that the honking in the morning is waking her up. Not only that, he also had some Christmas lights stolen from his house, and he's convinced that it was these neighbors who did it. I called him up as Abdu, his annoying, complaining neighbor, to give him a piece of my mind and tell him to stop
man, I want to see what
honking
this is
his damn
about.
horn in the morning.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Am I talking to John?
Yes, you are.
You are the old bearded man. You live across the street from me.
On what street?
The drive. Really, I just want to call you because I need you
I thought
to
he
stop
cursed.
honking,
They're trying to
man.
beep that. Oh,
I'm
okay, they're
crazy.
beeping it out.
I don't honk my horn in the morning. I go to work at 4 in the morning. That's
Damn.
my son picking up the granddaughter for school.
Yeah, okay, maybe it was the son. Yeah, but so your son, man, he keeps honking the horn all day, all morning, right? Like I'm going like a crazy. I have a headache.
Oh, you know why? Because we know you're laid on your ass all day, and we want you to get up.
Okay, well, I'll be sure to take the Christmas lights next year too, then.
Well, you know what? I'll put them in reverse, and you touch them, you'll get shocked.
Ooh.
Yeah, I doubt it, man. I have electrical protecting gloves, right? So I will be okay. But like, I need you to tell your son or something to stop honking because it is very asshole behavior, right?
Nope, he's gonna honk because you gotta wake the kid up. And if you aren't up, that's just tough shit for you.
Yeah, but it's too early in the morning, you stupid. It's not polite.
7:30's too early?
Yeah, you have to have a sense of decency, right?
Yeah, this dude about to get real mad.
Okay, maybe, right? But 7 o'clock is not everybody is awake in the morning.
Well, we are. That's all that counts.
You know,
He
I'm
said
trying
we are,
to
that's all that
reason
counts.
with you here and, you know,
Yeah,
try to be
you're
light. But you're being a little
It's like my
bit
third video
ridiculous,
reacting to
like
these
you're
guys.
not
These
gonna
guys are
work with me.
hilarious.
Hello.
Ooh. He fell in the
hello,
pond.
man. You know, honestly, I've been trying to cool down since we last spoke, but I'm very upset about how you were talking to me and very disrespectful.
What could you be upset about?
I'm upset, right?
You're all awake right now.
Yeah, I told you already, like, you don't even have sense of decency to say, you know, I will try, I will do something, you know.
Yo, how does he do these impersonations? Like, he reminds me of this, what was it? Was it Fire Ronin or somebody else?
I'll turn the pit bull loose on you then.
You
Step foot in the garage, man. The dog's gonna bite you right in the nuts.
You think I'm
He
joking?
said the dog's
Okay,
gonna bite you right in the nuts. I don't know why certain dogs go for the nuts first. I don't know. Are they trained to go for the nuts?
Sorry, I can tell you that.
Alright, well, anything I should look out for in there that might be good and valuable?
No, you know, let me just tell you, the dog doesn't bite ankles. He'll bite you right in the balls.
Okay, alright.
Is he saying it's just a scam? Nah, I would actually believe him. Some dogs will actually do that.
Honestly, like, I am not even...
So you better wear your cup.
Okay, alright, man. Well, thank you. I will go ahead and...
Okay, alright, oh yeah, you bet. Okay.
Talk to you soon, man. Thanks in advance. I appreciate it.
There's a phone inside his garage, and the requester, his granddaughter, gave me the number for it. She was home at the time, and
so I guess they setting him up to
like
prank him. Okay.
From inside his garage.
I remember that video. That video was funny. It went viral.
Yeah, hello. Are you not home or what?
Oh, sure. What are you looking at? No, I'm not at home.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I figured, right? Because, like, nobody, the garage was, like, kind of open and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's always open.
Yeah, well, yeah, man, I was, honestly, I like the golf clubs a lot, but one of them is broken.
Well, you know what? I'm going to have to hang up on you and give the cops a call.
Ooh.
Well, no,
You might as well tell him it's a prank, bro.
By then, but, like, the mountain bike...
What are you going to do in my garage?
He's starting like crazy.
I tried to reason with you, be nice, right? You're sitting there trying to egg me on, like, oh, yeah.
So you're going to come over and steal my stuff because my son honks the horn like 3 times.
Yeah, you could have simply said you're sorry, right?
I didn't do it.
But you were being very rude. You said, oh, you need to get off your ass and not sleep, all this stuff. So now, just like the Christmas lights, I will just take the golf and the TV and stuff.
If you don't like to sleep, just go ahead and take it all.
Where was the big pit bull, right? Like, all I see here is...
Guys, that'll basically be it for this video right here. I was going to react to the rest, but let me know, that they come out with good types of pranks. Like, you see a lot of pranksters, you see a lot of pranksters doing pranks in public. These guys are doing phone call pranks. Now, he's not the first guy to do phone call pranks. I've seen other people, but you don't really see too much people doing phone call pranks like these guys nowadays. So that'll basically be it for this video. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Like, share. Don't forget to become a Nunet today by subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Link will be in the description to the original video if you guys want to see my reaction. Yeah.